So myself, GIRISH SHETTY, and I'm from first year CSE branch. My startup company name is Stalin Associates. Product present name is Handwash, and product proposed name is Refreshings. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one is using antibacterial soap, like using the strong ingredients. Second one is lightweight and portable, which is easy to carry. Define based on the empathizing state and considering the feelings and requirements of customers. Many new features are added to existing product in hand wash, futuristic product in refreshings. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one is touchless system, which is dispenser, which we can reduce the contact and spread of the germs. Second one is air dryer. After washing the hands, we can dry our hands with the system. Third one is Bluetooth connection to mobile phones. Fourth one is water resistant. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage.